Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday. When I woke up this morning I was 64.7 kilos, which is a net loss since yesterday of 200 grams. A net loss of 5.5 kilos in 44 days or 12.1 pounds. So I fasted 18 hours and I broke my fast at 11:15. So I did an insomnia before that. So because I am clearly not out of this insomnia thing, I'm going to use OMAD to help me sleep better. The problem with OMAD is as I'm on a weight loss journey at the moment, OMAD is not, in my opinion, the funnest, the nicest way to lose weight. If you just want to lose weight, for me anyway, OMAD is not the best way. It is hard to eat once a day. It is not as fun because having multiple meals is more fun, even if you're reducing the calories for each meal. So, but at the same time, I do need to sleep. I do need to sleep again, and I can't just keep doing this forever because clearly something is not working. So I will do my transition to OMAD in the next coming days. So yesterday I broke my fast at 11:15. What I'm going to do in the next coming days is break it later and later and later to a point that I arrive at the gym fasted, and I'll just have one meal after in the evening. It's going to be hard. The transition for me is harder than actual OMAD. First 2 weeks of OMAD is hard, but then after that you just get used to it. The problem is the transition going from 18 hours fasted to 23 hours fasted, especially training fasted, is harder. Not if you're training in the morning, that's super easy anyways. For me, super easy. But at lunch break, it is a little harder. So legs yesterday, I did a leg workout and it was intensity. I would give myself 7 on 10 simply for the fact that yes, I did squats and machines, but I deadlifted and I deadlifted 75 kilos, which for me is my personal best. I hadn't done that in 5 years. Not that I tried since, I'm just saying that this is the heaviest that I've ever lifted, and I lifted it for 3 reps yesterday. So I'm very happy about that. It means I'm gaining strength, even though I'm on a calorie deficit and I'm on a weight loss journey. And that's very, very rewarding. So very happy about my training. Yeah, 7 on 10. I had my last meal at 5:30 yesterday and it was up until 6:15 p.m. I had hake, basmati rice, green peas. I added a real tablespoon. So not a tablespoon, but like a tablespoon of barbecue sauce because I wanted to switch up a little bit the flavors. Had cheese, crackers, a corn, red pepper, potato soup with lentils. And to finish it off, I had a square of chocolate. So overall, I had a really good day in terms of total calories. We're talking 1,156 calories and 82 grams of protein, which is, 1,156 is pretty low, but I felt very satisfied with my 2 meals. I was hungry before each meal. And that's why I'm saying that. So I ate with appetites, but that's why I'm saying that I will be probably struggling because at the beginning, the transition is going to be a bit hard because, yeah, it is the transition from 18 hours to 23 hours is pushing back the time that you're eating. It's easier for me to take a lunch break walk so I can push the time that I break my fast during my walk with my apple and my smoothie. Protein smoothie. So yesterday I did not take a handful of muesli, but when I was warming up my meal prep, I was hungry. And so what I did is I just had a handful of crackers. I actually counted them and I had 6. That's a very good way to do it. If and only if you want to track your calories and be pretty precise to see if the plan that you're on is working for your body or not. Then when you have a certain food that is easily countable, you know what I mean, like squares of chocolates, crackers, they're easy to count. I had 6 yesterday. So what I did is I just put 6 more on the scale, saw the weight, 8, 12 total, and I double whatever I saw in terms of weight on the scale. And I had that with cheese. So that's not like the muesli where I had no idea. I didn't put the muesli on the scale and then ate it. I just ate it. And it's a lot easier to count crackers. Now, I don't like doing that, don't get me wrong, that's not how I live my life. But I am doing this data analysis experiment at the moment, and I am sharing it with you. So obviously, if you're hungry and you want to have a handful of crackers, although crackers can go fast as well. They can go high in calorie very fast. So that's a good way to just make sure you stay in a calorie deficit if losing weight is your goal, and if getting into a calorie deficit is the plan that you have chosen. So I will see you tomorrow for a new video, and I hope you have a beautiful day.